name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. And if you don't know, you're new here, we give hugs around here. Hope your guys' day is going well. I hope everything is working out in your favor. I hope you are feeling positive and you are finishing the work week strong, okay? Bring it on in. Go ahead and give me a hug, girl. So, as you can see, these are, what are they called? The tribal braids, Fulani braids, 2-layer braids, whatever you call it. The box braids in the back, feed-in braids in the front. I do custom orders for these braided wigs, okay? I feel like if you don't like to sit down for long periods of time, you like versatilities with your wigs, and also you like something where you can just pop on your head and go, this is the wig for you. This is absolutely positively glueless. You do not have to put glue into this wig. These wigs come with elastic bands. I do have elastic bands attached to them. These come already bleached. The knots already bleached and everything pretty much come customized. The wigs that you can pull up into a bun or in a ponytail, those do have a section for where you can put baby hair if that's what you want. If you don't like baby hair, you can definitely take the baby hairs out of the wig, no problem. Just pluck them on out and call it a day, okay? This is my favorite style because I think it's cute, I think it's sexy, I think it gives you a little bit of oomph, you know what I'm saying? Instead of it being just bundles straight in the middle, it's braids, you know, it gives you more like a islandy look. So yeah guys, I really like it. The wig is lightweight. I'm going to show you guys how the wig is structured and everything, so that way if you do want to purchase from me, you'll be able to know what you're looking for. Now I do have another wig that is ready that I'm going to do a video on. So this is just a closure wig. It's a 2x6 closure, so only thing from here back is a closure. Everything else is just a regular cap with an elastic band attached to it, okay? So like I said, it is feed-in braids all the way right here, and then in the back and the sides it is box braids. So as you can see right here is box braids, right here box braids, box braids, box braids, okay? You do want to spread the box braids out in the back so that way it's not too many braids and your wig is not really heavy. I want to show you guys how long the braids are. They are very long. They hit the top of my butt. So excuse me y'all, I'm pregnant. Just excuse me. The braids hit at the top. The ends are tapered and dipped in hot water to seal. Okay, as you can see, the wig is lightweight. So I do all colors. I do pretty much all styles. Faux locks, I do box braids, feed-in braids, knotless braids, all types of braids, do all types of colors. So if you like it, come in different colors. This is your standard 1B color wig. So yes guys, I think it's so convenient, it's so cute, especially when you want to change up your look. You go on a vacay or something like that, you'll be able to, you know, switch out into a cute braided wig like this. So yes guys, I hope you like this unit. I am located in South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina to be exact. So I do pick up as well. You can pick it up from Columbia, South Carolina, that city, that location. If you are located outside of South Carolina, I do only ship in the US. So it's gonna take you a few days to get your wig. If you are located in the US, I do not ship international. I don't have time to deal with customs and all that good stuff, you know. I ain't got time. I ain't got time to be dealing with that. So yes. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, really cute, really simple, really easy, then go ahead and continue watching, baby girl. Alright, talk to you guys later.